there. Today we are going to talk about something called the worry scale. I want you to think about if you've ever felt scared before. I'm sure you're all nodding your head. Yes, I have felt scared before. We all have certain things that scare us, and that's okay. There are a lot of things going on right now, especially with school being closed. And sometimes these things make us feel worried to the point of being afraid, and that is called fear. Do you know what the word fear means? I want you to pause for a second and think to yourself about what that word might mean. Fear can sneak up on you and make you feel all weird. Your heart might race, you might get that frog in the back of your throat, or your stomach might feel funny or nervous. Sometimes fear can completely overtake us and make us feel like we can't do anything. Now I'm going to show you a worksheet called the worry scale, and I know that you don't have this, so I'm going to hold it up close so you can see it. And what I want you to do is I want you to think about a few things that scare you or that you feel worried about. I want you to pause the video and write down at least 3 things that make you feel worried. Thanks for pausing and writing down your worries. Now I want you to look at the scale below. So I'm going to show you the green part of the scale says not worried or scared. The middle part says worried, scared, and the dark red says so worried or scared, it's all I can think about. For each worry that you listed, think about where it belongs on the scale. So for Miss McCann, I'm a teacher at Broadway Elementary, I worry about not seeing my students for the rest of the year. And I'm probably the middle of the worried scale. I can think about other things and still get my work done, but it's something that I am worried about. So I would put that right here. So go ahead, pause the video to look at your list and decide where you are on the worried scale. And I'm going to hold it up. Thanks for thinking about where you are on the worry scale. Now you might feel very fearful about something that another person doesn't feel fearful at all. Now it can be helpful to talk about your fears and your worries. So if you continue to have worries about not being at school, talk to your teacher about it. You can message them. Talk to someone that you live with about your worries and fears. Sometimes just talking about it will help you feel better. And it will also help us overcome our fear, or we can move down on the worry scale. So remember, when you start to feel worried about something, think about where you are on the worry scale. And then in other videos, you'll be able to learn some strategies to help you calm down or manage your worry.